it looks like the one of the last videos from Crypto Kirby. Can we just look at just his great advice that he was giving everyone here?
Or a higher low before a Fed meeting that could absolutely defecate on my hopes and dreams. I mean, ladies.
So at this time, the Bitcoin price was 23,500, give or take a couple of thousand. And his advice was he would not buy anything around this. And yet that was the chart. It was that was how it was looking. So he said, yeah, don't buy anything. If you followed his advice, let's hear what his advice was again.
Right now, this is, to me, I'm not touching this here.
Not touching it.
I'm
Good
waiting
idea.
for the Federal Reserve to make their announcement this week.
Okay, so he's waiting for their announcement.
Play for myself, right? I'm not your financial advisor. I'll never tell you what to do with your trade.
And he is not a financial advisor because his advice that he gives, which isn't financial advice, is absolutely terrible.
For me, I think waiting to see what they say this week before looking to either go long or go short is the most prudent plan of action.
So always remember, this guy is a perma bear. He thinks it's always going to crash. But does he tell us where he thinks it's going to crash down to?
Right now, from my perspective, it does seem like many are about to take that trip to Wreck City.
Wreck City. Everyone was going to go to Wreck City when it was at 20 to 23,000.
Bull trap potential here is very
bull trap. That was a bull trap, absolutely.
Very high. I mean, and the sentiment shift across social media is wild, ladies and gentlemen. It just seems right now like these low IQ, peanut brain individuals are disregarding everything that's happening.
You would have to be so low IQ to think that Bitcoin was going to go up at all during this time. Oh, hold on. Oh. Shall we just zoom in a little bit more to actually where it went? So he was around about here. Yeah, telling nobody put any money in here at this time. Terrible idea.
Right, with what I showed you on the NASDAQ, with the Federal Reserve, with us still being underneath this macro resistance.
Oh, we're still under that macro resistance.
It's just, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, it seems to me like they could be singing a song.
Peanut brain.
Short and stout, lure me.
Yeah, we were definitely just going to go straight down to Wreck City.
And then stop me out. So let's get...
I like his little cheers they put in there. So I think we got an idea of where he thought it was going to go.
I'm a little DJ, short and stout. Lure me and then stop me out.
He was expecting it to go back down to... I feel sorry for anybody that's actually followed his advice. He thought it was going to go back down to 16,000 around about. Where did it go? Oh, we're now at 34,000. Yeah. Well done, Crypto Kirby. That was 8 months ago. What was your, let's just have a little laugh again. What was your most recent, yeah, the daily, is it?
Months and months on end. It doesn't really.
Shall we just check? Is this his daily live stream, which isn't daily and isn't live?
The Bitcoin price is testing the most critical level it's seen in months. And it's
so this is at a time when it was at about 29,000.
To put up or shut up. Are we potentially on the brink of a new Bitcoin bull market? Or, my friends, could this all potentially be one gigantic trap before...
Oh, so it was all one gigantic trap. That's what... Okay, so his advice again is it is a giant... Not just a little bit of a trap, or it's a bit of a pump before a pullback, or a retest of anything. No, it's a gigantic trap.
A plunge. Deep down.
Plunge is what he was hoping for. Down to... Here he's going down to $14,000. Did that happen? I don't think it did. No, it didn't. So this was, what was it? He thought by the 24th of October, we were going to be down at 14,000. Well, just a little bit after that, we are up at 34,000. So 100% wrong, I think we could call that, because we are double the price.
Abyss. Let's dive
into the abyss. It so confidently proclaims that crypto is going to go down into the crypto abyss, and everybody that thought it was going to go up are peanut brained. Brilliant. Well done, Crypto Kirby. Your advice was once again absolutely terrible. And you keep on going, oh, it could do this, it could do that. Oh, you've got to be prepared for anything. But his general advice is that it was going to start piling down into the ground.
This is a very interesting / frustrating time to
line all the way down at 10,000. Surely he was not thinking it was going to go down to 10,000.
Be in the market as a trader, as a speculator, as an analyst. Ooh. I mean, let's just sum up.
I like how he talks about being a trader, as a speculator, as an analyst, and yet he's using multi-year timescales.
What's happened here?
That's not really a trader. That's a long-time investor.
Okay, Bitcoin was on a bear market decline, as was to be expected. Okay, lower high after lower high, lower low after lower low. The global sideways nothingness. Absolutely chewing up and spitting out anybody trying to go long or short in these ranges. And the moves are happening basically in what seems like the snap of a finger, the blink of an eye, in an upward trend.
Yeah, they started to go to blink of an eye.
I just don't have enough information for what I feel to be concrete in terms of...
Well, so that what his whole videos are? Is a whole video. This one is lasting, what is it, a good 16 minutes of going, I don't have enough information. I don't know which way it's going to go. But pay me for my fantastic, urgent crypto trading advice, even though he literally just admits he doesn't have enough information and he doesn't know where it's going to go.
Is this the beginning of a new bull market?
It's all, is it? Maybe it could. Maybe it's the crypto abyss.
Or are we about to get a resistance level here that actually puts in the ceiling before plunging all the way back down and then seeing this thing just be chalked up to a bear market rally?
So if you took his second piece of advice there, which was, could it be going down?
Like we've seen so many times throughout.
That's his way of trying to get out of giving financial advice, because he says, I just said, could it?
Bitcoin fast, just like the examples I showed earlier in the video.
Oh,
and just
here's more examples. Here's more examples.
In the video. Yeah. See what I'm saying? And if you are appreciating, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that.
That advice where he literally admits he doesn't have enough information to know where it's going to go, but he thinks it's going to go down to the crypto abyss, and you're a peanut brain if you think it was going to go up. And yeah, it looks like his targets were around. Does he ever tell us?
Right now, and until I see more of what I'm looking for as an analyst here, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to be making daily videos until I feel that.
You mean daily live streams, which aren't daily, or live streams?
I have my finger back on the pulse of this market.
Well, when is he going to have his finger on the pulse of the market? Because so far he's not, and this is most recent one 5 months ago. Gotta follow Crypto Kirby for his daily uploads, daily live streams of urgent crypto trading advice, where he doesn't have enough information to actually know or be on the
I
pulse.
Personally feel like I can regain an edge here. Trading and
brilliant, well done. Yeah, so Crypto Kirby, I hope nobody took his advice.